Welcome back in this session. Software provisioning. Basically, we create the EC2 instance using Terraform. And the more thing is that when the instance is created, we need the configuration for my instance. So instance need the server configuration, kind of API configuration, or a database configuration. So whatever server you will use, you require the configuration for the specific application. So Terraform also supports the software configuration for the specific your server needs. So let's see. So basically there are two way to provision of your software application. So one is you can install AMI, configure your application and configuration. You can upload your required documentation and scripts, all these things, and then you can configure and install all your software. Then take the AMI backup and use the same AMI backup in the all new installation. So you have the ready-made AMI which will works with the all your future configuration. That's a single approach. The one more approach is that you can take any standard AMI and you can configure your required software. That using the Terraform functions, kind of file upload and script execution. So there are three ways for the configuration and file uploads. So one is your file upload. So I want to upload my scripts on the remote server and execute some of scripts on the remote server. And the more thing is what will do the connection over this. So this connection works over the SSH, but you have to give the secure connection over your SSH username passwords. So there are the ways to configure your SSH user way, and you can also configure the SSH with private keys. So file upload. How do we upload file on remote server? So provisioner will be used for the file upload. So provisioner, I have used a file, and you can see the source and destination. There are two things where we have passing my source file to the destination location. So I'm passing my file to the destination location where you can use your script to upload your remote server. Then you can configure your script over the server. Terraform also provides the integration with the SAP, Ansible, and Puppet. You can take the IPs when the output get, and you can run your Ansible playbooks around that. But this is the best way where you want to configure your own way your file and script with the provisioner file upload. So we have uploaded right now, and now we will going to execute the same files with the script. So the next one is the upload works with the what connection. So connection works on the username and password with the SSH. So here I have given the username is EC2 user by default. All AWS AMI instance having the default user is EC2 user, and here I have given the private key. If you want make your private key disable and you want to password enable, you have to password enable over here. So you have to pass the username and password in that case, but here the by default private key has to pass. So I have passed the private keys which I have downloaded before my server configuration. So you can configure your private key from the EC2 console. And the next one is host. Which host I want to configure? So host, the AWS instance created. I am taking the IP from the AWS instance created, the first resource. And the next one is the execution of my server configuration. So I want to install some of my packages over the server, so I can run my packages. You can see the remote exe will be used for the download and installation. So I have downloaded some of packages. I have copied my file from the temp to the HTML. Then I have run the server, that HTTP server I have restarted, and I am checking the server status. So you can find your status over the console. So this is a way where you can upload your file and you can run your configuration based on your required. So in next session we will see that completely demo of the upload and execution of your configuration.